Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Welcome back guys. Hello to my new subscribers, and for those of you who are here for the first time and you have not subscribed yet, come on in. Hit that subscribe button and let me do what I do, show you what I do. So guys, today on this channel, I already have a project that I was doing for you. It involves glittering and spray painting and letting this stuff dry thoroughly. I ran into a couple of glitches with it, which I'll explain when that time comes. But the other thing I wanted to bring to you is the last video I did, which was the fire pit, tabletop fire pit. I used the round, I'm gonna show you. All right, the tea candle holders that look like this, and I just assumed that these would be good enough to be able to directly put the sterno gel in. It wasn't a good idea. As pretty as it was, the glass popped. It popped and broke. It didn't shatter, but it cracked and broke in place. So I should have took a picture of it so I could show it to you, but I didn't. So guys, don't use this. I'm saying that to say, don't use glass. Use the tin sternos. Now, I'm going to do that video over, but I'm going to do it with the correct stuff to use for when it comes to the fire. Yeah, guys, because that could cause serious damage. So the glass was not these tea candle glass from Dollar Tree or maybe anywhere. If it doesn't say that it's fire tempered, then don't try it. So that's what I wanted to bring to you. And I also wanted to bring to you a haul. Yeah, guys. So hang in here with me and I'll get my bags together and I'll be back in 2 seconds. Oh yeah, and the other announcement that I wanted to make about my first giveaway at 500 subscribers. Right now, I believe I have, at this point, there are 457. I'm not sure. Wish I had my other device here. I could check it out real quick. But anyway, I think, yeah, because it was close to it was close to 460. I know it was 450 something, in the high 450s. But anyhow, I thank you guys, for those of you who have been tapping that subscribe button. Thank you so much. And just hanging there with me, guys. And when I say hanging there with me, I mean people who constantly comment in my in my descriptions and so on and so forth. I mean, like, participation. That's how you keep these channels alive. Audience participation. There has to be an interaction between us. And I want to do something for you guys, for those of you the subscribers who have been hanging in there. Hopefully, my channel is a channel that you'll be able to watch all the time. I'm hoping I'm bringing you the correct content. I hope that I'm explaining what I'm doing well enough. You know, and I, like I said, I'd like coming on here talking to you guys. I like showing you what I've learned, or what I know, or what I don't know. Because half of the stuff that I do for you guys, I'm doing it for the first time. So I appreciate you so much. And that's why I'm anxious to do this first giveaway. This first giveaway is for the ones I know who are my ride or dies. And well, out of 400 subscribers, I know there's only a couple of you, like I can count with on one hand how many of you connect with me, you know, on a semi-regular basis. And I would like to have that type of rapport with all of my subscribers, with all of you. So guys, on that note, now if you're ready, I'm ready to get on with this video at hand. Alright guys, so the first 2 bags are going to be from the Dollar Tree. And this is what I bought. This right here. I saw a YouTuber do a project with this, but that's what this is for. These are chopping mats. I have 2 of the canvases. The cardboard canvas, not the framed canvas. I also tissue paper, gift tissue paper. This is for my dolls, all of them. My paintings, whatever I'm shipping, I like to wrap it in bubble wrap, and I use this tissue paper. And I bought 3 of these candles. You know, I like to have my candles burning. Y'all look, I found these right here. These are, they're shelves. You see, there was only 2 of them. I picked up both. A pencil and brush organizer. I have one sitting here on my table, but I have scissors and pliers, paint brushes, frame mirrors, the octagon shape. I picked up 5. These lids actually go to drinking jars or whatever. And actually this is has a plant sticking up inside of it. So I guess this is for flowers. It's just screw the lid on one of those, a jar that it could fit. That's cute. But I also thought about using these for the fire, for the flames. Get another tin bottom that'll fit. But again, that's for the video that I'm going to do over with the tabletop fire pit. Some pouring medium. Like that Floetrol. I bought 3 of them just in case it works. And this is what you use, for those who might not know, this is what you use to mix with your acrylic paints when you're painting. Little Modge Podge, because I was looking at the Modge Podge, the big ones in Walmart, and yeah, that thing, it looked like it said $13. I wasn't sure. I didn't even bend down there to make sure. I just kept on going. I said, I'll just go get these couple little ones from the Dollar Tree and be happy. It's not like I'm using that much right now. And the last thing I bought was these 2 little cute ink pens. One for me and one for my granddaughter. Yeah, I knew it was you knocking on the door.
I wanted to ask.
She wanted to ask me something. Y'all remember my baby from the grocery, what you call it, the Dollar Tree that we went to, and she had a basket full of stuff. I asked her, where was her money at? This is the one. Here, I bought one for you. Which one you like, the purple or the blue?
Purple.
I thought so. I bought one for both of us. Isn't that
Thank
cute?
you.
Yeah. Alright guys, so the last store that I went to was the Walmart. I bought the adhesive gemstones because I have a project I'm going to bring to you guys. It'll be the storage ottoman, and I'm going to do a makeover on that, and I'll put a picture of it in the corner over here. It used to be a wicker outside, part of it was wicker, but I ripped that off because old kids started, the babies started tearing at it and picking at it, so it was time to go anyway. I took all the mesh off of it, and I discovered that it's a nice piece of wooden box. I said, well, you know what, I'm not going to throw this out. So what I decided to do is do a makeover, a tufted storage ottoman. So, and these gemstones will be going where the dimples go of the tufted areas of the ottoman. And I had to go out and buy fabric, guys. I have an order to make some my ragdoll storage bag holders, so I had to buy material, and these are the nice colors that I bought today. This is going to be for the actual doll, the skin color for the doll, and I usually get the 3 tones of browns, the tan, dark tan, and the brown, dark brown. So, and I also bought, this is what I use to make the hair lately for my dolls. Black pom-poms. I have the Gorilla Hot Glue, which helps me out with that. And I also bought trim for the dolls' dresses. And lastly, in the jewelry department, I bought something in the jewelry department, which were, or the DIY department, which were these metal strands that I'm going to use for necklaces and earrings. And what I didn't realize is that there's one missing off of this. I was so excited that I saw this particular strand. So, but anyway, guys, and that is it for my haul today. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel. Come on in, and then hit that notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will know, because I have more videos to come, guys. And hang in there with me. And for my true blue ride or diers, I'll keep putting them out for you. Let me know what you guys think and comment below. And don't forget to share. And I will see you guys in the next videos. All right, bye-bye.